precise reason, Shikha Rai, that Aam Aadmi Party gives on why Arvind Kejriwal has announced his resignation at this time. They say that if he would have resigned earlier, it would have been setting a wrong precedent for other opposition leaders who have been, quote unquote, charged and falsely accused by the BJP, which is misusing the probe agencies, namely the CBI, the ED.
See, on a number of times, in many courts, as we have seen in all these 6 months, many of the courts said that prima facie there is a case against him. That is why he was not granted bail. Even today, the matter stands against him. The charges, he has not been absolved of all those charges. Now, to say so that this agency is so, this agency is such, what about the facts that he actually was involved in all this? That is why he was arrested. That is why he put in jail. That is why he didn't get bail. So to say now that, oh, I would have set an example would have been set if he would have resigned there and then. Now he knows that by the order of the court, he already has those restricted powers. He does not have any power for the workmanship of CN. So there, now he's a master of timings. He knows when to use any opportunity which he tries to, which he has always. And today he's doing the same thing. He's trying to use this also as an opportunity because he knows that the government is now there going to be for a few months. So now he tries to prove himself. I think this would be the first election wherein a party leader or a party would go to the people and said, oh, I was involved in corruption. I was put to jail. Please give me a certificate that I am Imandar. These are all drama tactics. He has been playing this card already.
The very Supreme Court verdict and Supreme Court remarks that you are referring to, that was just one judge. This was a split verdict. There were two judges who gave two separate remarks. One said that the arrest was justified. The other said for the last 2 years, you haven't been able to establish a proper money trail and a proper evidence against Arvind Kejriwal. And that is why the arrest seems to be unjustifiable.
See, the bail is always for a period. It's intermission, between a trial and the final judgment. So it is not a final judgment. Final verdict would come. Of course, while giving the bail, the conditions are that he would not sign any paper. Cannot.
All right, Shikha Rai, I'll come back to you. Let's just quickly go across to Saurabh Bhardwaj addressing the media after that PAC meeting.
कि कल मंगलवार को वे अपना इस्तीफा मुख्यमंत्री के पद से देंगे। आज उन्होंने एलजी साहब से इस्तीफा देने के लिए समय मांगा है और कल शाम का समय उन्हें मिला है। लिहाजा आज इस घटनाक्रम के ऊपर मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने, जो कि आम आदमी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष भी हैं, उन्होंने पीएसी यानी कि पॉलिटिकल अफेयर्स कमेटी की मीटिंग बुलाई थी, जिसमें पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेता और मौजूदा कैबिनेट के सभी मंत्रीगण मौजूद थे। मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने सभी वहां पे मौजूद नेताओं और मंत्रियों से 1 to 1 नए मुख्यमंत्री के विषय में चर्चा की, उनसे फीडबैक लिया और कल विधायक दल की मीटिंग होगी और इस चर्चा को दूसरे चरण में कल विधायकों के साथ मुख्यमंत्री ले जाएंगे। आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
सौरभ, क्या ये मंत्रियों से 1 to 1 चर्चा की या सभी पीएसी मेंबर्स से?
सभी पीएसी मेंबर्स और मंत्रीगण जो मौजूद थे, हर एक से मुख्यमंत्री जी ने 1 to 1 चर्चा की।
तो क्या आकलन है आप लोगों का? कौन आप लोगों को लग रहा है कि बेहतर उम्मीदवार हो सकेगा? आप लोगों की क्या आकलन के पीछे?
क्योंकि 1 to 1 मीटिंग हुई है, इसलिए किसी को भी दूसरे के आकलन का कोई अंदाजा नहीं है। हर एक को सिर्फ अपना ही आकलन मालूम है, इसलिए नामों के ऊपर कोई भी बात जो है वो मात्र स्पेकुलेशन होगी।
ठीक है, इसको आराम से लेके जाना, ठीक है।
All right, so Saurabh Bhardwaj there, of course, senior Aam Aadmi Party minister, briefing the media of, what exactly happened in that PAC meeting, but very, very tight-lipped and giving no information whatsoever.